Turkey is one of the most popular destinations for tourism and for education. Dear student, in today's video, I'll be talking about education. So, student, today we're going to talk about fully funded scholarship about Kuch University. So, dear student, this is Sufyan Memani, your host for today. Guys, टुडे आज की वीडियो के अंदर हम बात कर रहे हैं कोच यूनिवर्सिटी की. यस, कोच यूनिवर्सिटी, द स्कॉलर्स के काइंड ऑफ सी, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू राइट इन टर्की सी, बट उसको हम सी कह रहे हैं, तो दैट्स कॉल्ड कोच यूनिवर्सिटी. इट इज़ एक्सेप्टिंग एप्लीकेशन फॉर द स्कॉलरशिप इन 2021. कोच यूनिवर्सिटी बेसिकली जो है वो प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी है एंड इट्स इस्तांबुल, वन ऑफ द अमेजिंग डेस्टिनेशन, बिकॉज वहाँ पे हमें वेस्टर्न कल्चर मिलता है, लेकिन साथ साथ डेफिनेटली इज़ द इस्लामिक कंट्री. सो इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ इस्लामिक कंट्री एंड प्लस वेस्टर्न culture as well. Turkey has amazing food, so you must visit Turkey at least once. So guys, you have a chance to visit Turkey through this scholarship. You will be awarding 100% scholarship. So Koç University is giving the opportunity for masters and PhD level program. It is giving 100% scholarship through HEC. But definitely there is the opportunity for undergrad as well. Undergrad के लिए what I have explored through Koç, that it is giving 100% scholarship as well and 50% scholarship as well, and that's on completely merit basis. So if you're academically sound, so you must try, you must apply for admit for this university. So it's a top ranked university in Turkey. It's located in Istanbul, so it's not like a student इसमें admission ले लेता है. It's not that easy. You definitely show that you are the suitable candidate for this university and you are a suitable candidate for this scholarship. So guys, the host country is definitely Turkey, and the scholarship is Koç scholarship. Now I am going to talk about the programs that are offered for undergrad level. So these are the programs for undergrad level now: College of Administrative Science and Economics, College of Engineering, College of Science, College of Social Sciences and Humanities, so School of Medicine and School of Nursing. So dear student, these are few options for you. You must apply the one which suits you and which has the maximum scholarship opportunity for you. So student, the in undergrad course is completely on of 4 years program. It's a 4-year program, so the degree is definitely recognized all around the world. Now I'm going to talk about the programs which are offered for master's level. The master's level programs are Graduate School of Business, Graduate School of Science and Humanities, and Graduate School of Science and Engineering, Graduate School of Health Sciences. Dear students, after interview you will be automatically receive the scholarship offer. So it's the amazing opportunity for all the masters and PhD level, whether you apply through thesis program or you don't apply through thesis program, but there's the opportunity for you. तो अंडरग्रेड के लिए भी जैसे मैंने कहा कि 100% स्कॉलरशिप की अपॉर्चुनिटी तो है, दैट विल कवर ट्यूशन फी ओनली. तो अब वहाँ पे किस तरह से आपके फर्दर एक्सपेंसेस कवर किए जाएंगे, तो स्टूडेंट घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. देयर इज़ नीड बेड स्कॉलरशिप ऑल्सो. थ्रू दैट योर डॉर्मेट्री यानी आपका रहना, books and living expenses will also be covered, but that will be through need based scholarship. यानी अगर आप ये साबित करेंगे दैट यू आर डिजर्विंग, ठीक है, फॉर दिस स्कॉलरशिप, सो डेफिनेटली you will be given the all kind of facilities like dormitories की भी सपोर्ट मिलेगी आपको, लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस भी कवर हो जाएंगे आपके और बुक्स भी कवर हो जाएंगे. बट अंडरग्रेड के लिए मैंने बताया कि मोस्टली इट इज़ फॉर मेरिट बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप, यानी 50% या फिर 100%. लेकिन मास्टर्स के लिए ऐसा नहीं. मास्टर्स के लिए आपके पास 100% स्कॉलरशिप है, यानी जिसमें आपकी एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी कवर्ड. रादर यू विल बी गिवन स्टिपेंड एज वेल. So for more information about the scholarship, you should visit international.ku.edu.tr. The link is also provided in description. So what documents are required? So dear students, you will be needing statement of purpose, CV, transcript, reference letter from your teachers, from your professor, from your counselor, and other type of documents like if you have any kind of certificates, if you have any additional test like if you have SAT for undergrad, it will definitely support you. So these are few documents that are required for the admission process and for the scholarship process as well. Without documents, it's not possible. So I already told that the deadline for the scholarship is 15th December. You must visit the website as well for more information about the master's and PhD level program. So student, let's talk about how to apply. So Coach has a very simple process of application. Everything is online. You just need to apply directly through their website. Okay. So you need to submit the application directly. There is only one application that needs to be submitted, and then if you are going to be shortlisted, definitely you will be emailed about further process. So all application is online, and to apply you need to follow this link, apply.ku.edu.tr for undergrad students. The link is also mentioned in the description as well. And to apply for masters and PhD, you should visit international.ku.edu.tr. The link is also provided in the description as well. So these are the important links for your application. The application is completely online and it's very simple. It will ask you basic information, the students, and the choices that you are going to pursue. So I must say, apply timely, visit the website today, and explore as much as you can. I must say, getting international exposure is going to be like lifetime experience. ठीक है, तो ये आपके पास एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी चलकर आ रही है. अगर आप रियली क्वालिफाइड कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज़ देखें, इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर हासिल करें. You will be getting chance to work with the international companies as well in Turkey, either an internship or job opportunities. Definitely, you will be mingle up with different kind of students, like different from different countries. You will face experience not only of Turkey but different countries experience, because वहाँ पे हर दुनिया से बच्चा definitely education के लिए आ रहा होगा. And the courses are in English, so you do not need to worry that टर्की के अंदर किस तरह से पढ़ाई करेंगे. द कोर्सेज आर इन इंग्लिश, बट डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू लर्न टर्की so that you can communicate with local people, because local people in Turkey don't know much about English. And in Turkey most of the universities के अंदर आपके पास टर्किश लैंग्वेज का कोर्स होता है जो आपको करना पड़ता है. तो कोर्स के अंदर भी डेफिनेटली आपको जो है टर्किश लैंग्वेज का कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट आपके लिए कम्युनिकेशन आसान हो जाए. So I hope this video helps you, and you will definitely be getting a benefit through this video. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any further questions. My WhatsApp number is going to be mentioned in the description as well. And this is an amazing opportunity in the last, I must say that. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please give us a like as well. Thank you.